My name is Jing Zhang. This video is for class EL6303 homework 4, question 1 to combine. And this question is to find and draw the distribution function and density function of y in terms of the distribution and the density function of x. First, we know y equal to gx, and this diagram is for gx. We know when x less than 0, y equal to 1, and x between 0 and 1, y equal to 0. X between 1 to 2, y equal to minus x plus 1, and x more than 2, y equal to minus 1. So from the gx we can get y between minus 1 to 1. So the distribution function of y we can get when y less than minus 1 is equal to 0, y more than 1 is equal to 1. So when y between minus 1 to 1, when y equal to minus 1, the probability of y equal to minus 1 equal to, from this diagram, we can find s equal to the probability of x more than 2. So this value is equal to 1 minus fx of 2. When y equal to 0, y equal to 0, so the probability y equal to 0 equal to the probability of x between 0 to 1. So this value is equal to fx of 1 minus fx of 0. And y equal to 1, the probability of y equal to 1 is equal to the probability of x less than 0 is equal to fx of 0. And when x between 1 to 2, y equal to minus x plus 1. So the density function of y equal to fx of 1 minus y. So we can get the expression of density function of y. When y equal to minus 1 is equal to 1 minus fx of 2, and y between minus 1 to 0 is equal to fx of 1 minus y. When y equal to 0 is equal to fx of 1 minus fx of 0. And when y equal to 1 equal to fx of 0, otherwise the value is 0. And we know the distribution function is we can get is integral the density function. So when y less than minus 1 is equal to 0, and more than 1 is equal to 1, and between minus 1 to 0 is equal to 1 minus fx of 1 minus y. Y between 0 and 1 is equal to 1 minus fx of 0. So this is the expressions of density function and the distribution function. So let's draw the diagram of this is the diagram of density function and of density function. We can get is when x or y, here is y equal to minus 1 is the impulse function, and the area is 1 minus fx of 2. And when minus 1 to 0, we can get this one is fx of 1 minus y. We can get from the expression here fx of 1 minus y. And when y equal to 0 is the impulse function, and is area of fx of 1 minus fx of 0. When y equal to 1, this is also impulse function. The area is fx of 0. And this one is the distribution function of y. We can get it like this. When y equal to minus 1 is equal to 1 minus fx of 2, and between minus 1 to 0 we can find is 1 minus fx of 1 minus y is here, and when it's between 0 and 1, it's 1 minus fx of 0. Fx of 0. And this one is here. Or more than 1 is 1. So this is the first question.